Good day, car buddies! So today we will have a very unique video. And last month, we received a package from a company called Geya Watches. By the way, Geya is a Chinese watchmaker since 1993. And they also make quality and unique timepieces. And when I said unique, because meron silang planetary flywheel na merong globe, and as all you can see sa screen natin, mostly for men sila, and dahil nga puro babae kami here in Carvia PH, they sent us a lady watch. So excited na ba kayo buksan to? Ooh. So yan, as you can see guys, yung packaging pa lang niya, it's very premium. Ayan, meron pa tayong paper bag here. So, kung titignan lang siya guys, it's not cheap at all. And also guys, this one cost 25,000 pesos. So, thank you so much Geya for giving this. So, yung 25,000 pesos is nakita namin sa kanilang webpage. So, if you are interested and gusto nyo din mag-browse ng kanilang mga watches, you can visit their webpage. Ilalagay na lang namin yan sa description. So, ayun guys, marami tayong pagpipilian. So, browse lang kayo sa kanilang webpage and pwedeng-pwede siya pang regalo for men's and women's or even for your loved ones. So, check out nyo lang din. And also, let's see kung ano ba yung ating gift from Geya. See guys, very unique nga. Paano siya buksan? Ay, this one pala. So, yung packaging pa lang niya, diba? Napaka-elegant na. And then, here's our lady watch. Wow. As you can see, color red siya, guys. And then, we have rubber here. And then, gold yung buckle. And kung mapapansin nyo, guys, very unique siya. And ang elegant niya tingnan. Kasi meron tayo mga gems here nakapalibot sa ating watch. Sukat ko na to. Kung pagkasya sa akin to, sir, akin na to. Charot lang. So, ayan. Kung ayaw nyo din ng red, the colors, meron din tayong white. So, thank you so much. Meron kaming option. Pag nakita nyo to sa akin, guys, sa next vlog, alam nyo na. Nakabingwit ng 25K. So, ito naman yung isa is color white naman siya and then golden yung kanyang buckle. Ayan. So, ayan. Pwede siya pang casual and then pwede din siya pang dress or pang elegant yung suot mo kasi bagay talaga siya, guys. And also, guys, kung mapapansin nyo, yung ating gems, iba't ibang color siya. Meron tayong purple, white, yellow, green. Also, I think light blue and then blue. Kung mapapansin nyo, guys, yung ating gems here, hindi lang siya stick sa one color. Para siyang light to dark colors yung nakapalibot sa kanya. So, very pleasing. Also, yung sa loob niya din, meron din tayong white gems. Yan, meron din tayong white gems na nakapalibot sa loob niya. Sa likod natin, may nakasulat na stainless steel and water resistance. So, yun nga guys, diba? Napaka-elegant ng design niya. And then, i-combine mo pa yung rubber strap niya. So, hindi lang siya elegant, may pagka-chic din yung style niya. So, kahit casual din yung wear mo, pwedeng-pwede mo siyang suotin. And also guys, hindi lang gold yung kanyang design. So, sa kanilang page, meron ding other option which is silver. So, if you are interested, just check their webpage. Ayan guys, ganito siya. Ganyan siya pagka nakasuot. And then, meron din tayo envelope here. Ayan, from Geya. So, let's see. Oh. So, ayan, meron tayong warranty card here. And also, parang guide lang ata to. Ayan, guide for watch. So, yun lang naman. Yun lang guys. So, thank you so much sa Geya Watches for giving us these beautiful pieces. So, yan, pag worn siya guys, sobrang feeling ko mayaman ako. Mayaman! And then, yung din, medyo mabigat siya. So, hindi mo siya talaga masasabi na cheap yung kanilang watches. And also guys, if you are watch collector, baka magka-interested kayo here sa ating brand na Geya. So just visit their webpage. Ilalagay na lang namin yan sa description. So once again, car buddies, thank you for watching. And this is your Carvia PH Angel Ara, and see you on our next video.